Hey everybody, it's Joe with EVH Motorsports with a little update. Got first set of wheels in. Front suspension, hub assembly are all removed. Working on removing the front subframe currently. And as we come around here, we got hatches, currently scrap metal, tool storage till I decide to take the scrap to the scrapyard. Working on removing the rear subframe, and there's part of the 2J, which I think we're going to end up powder coating the valve cover to a purple fading to a midnight blue. Let me know what y'all think about that. Crank has to go to scrap. It's no good. Completely dried out. Then yep, everything's gone except for a little bit of sound deadening on the rear, but I still got to remove the quarter glass, as y'all can see, which is a pain in the ass. Thinking about getting the inside dash bar either painted or powder coated as well. Not sure what color yet. This still has to come out to be thrown away, sold off to whoever wants it, to make place for optic armor windshield. But here is going to be a little update on the wheels. Alright, so opening the box so y'all can see what wheels I got. They are 17 by 9 STR Racing wheel, which will be going in the front of the car. Still not sure if I want to run 17 by 9 or go 17 by 10 in the rear. Let's see what these nice old wheels look like. Now that is a beautiful looking wheel. 17 by 9 STR 901 Racing in titanium color. Gonna get a few more sets, not sure of what other wheels yet, but if you have any suggestions on what wheels to run. I'm looking for a plus 12 to plus 22 offset for front and rear. Let me know what y'all think. And if you want to follow the build, subscribe to the channel, as well as I will be posting my Instagram and Facebook page, which gets updated a lot, almost daily, with new pictures, videos of everything that I'm doing here. And